Today we're doing a Harvester custom Drake bike. So it's going to be a black bike with all gold parts. So we have the gold Fiction Troop tires in 2.35 and we have some premium grips. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alright, so you're going to take off the wheel first. Alright, going to throw this tire on.
Sakin kral.
These premium grips. Once again, like all my videos, some hairspray. Always works well. More hairspray. So I think we're almost done, but I just thought of one more thing that would finish off the bike. Follow me. We have the gold Campsy chain. So let's throw that on and see how it looks. Nice gold. Again, got some premium grips. We got the Fiction Troop tires in 2.35 and the newly added gold